Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar. I am from Ballia, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my graduation that is BTech in Information Technology in 2021. After that, I am preparing for a government exam, but unfortunately not succeed. In January 2025, I am searching for training plus internship. Then one of my friend told me that why you are not joining Evision? They provide internship as well as training. In February 2025, I enrolled in the program and successfully completed 45 days program over there. During my internship, I learned a lot of things like Windows Administrator, virtualization, IT, ITIL, CCN, and many more things. And also, I have been hands-on experience in troubleshooting as well. So these are the things which I have learned so far in Evision, and their guidance and support, especially Samli ma'am, helped me a lot to crack my interview. So I am happy to share about my selection. I got selected at CallerDesk company with the package of 2.14 LPA, and I am very happy that I chose Evision and enrolled there. Evision team and HRs are very cooperative and supportive. So if you are looking for job change in IT department, and you want to switch in your career, so don't wait for the right time. Make the right time. Please go ahead with Evision and enroll there. They are very supportive, and you will definitely get the opportunity to crack the job and definitely selected in IT department. Thank you so much, Evision team. Thank you.